My name's Claire. To be exact, Claire Ref. This is nothing like what I actually get to do. This is what I do. And yes, it's true, I do have to do online school. But on the other hand, my dad would never let me out of the house. And I have to agree with him. Because if I don't agree with him, I don't know how much trouble I could get into. One night when I was finishing up schoolwork, I saw Royal High School out my window. I quickly got onto my computer and started researching how old you have to be to go to Royal High. Then I saw the number. I just barely made the cut. I quickly went out on the balcony. My dad wasn't awake. He was in his room sleeping. I was glad about that. The school looks so beautiful. Royal High is exactly what I need to become normal. Hope you guys liked that, and hopefully you guys really liked it. By the way, that was not episode 1. That was the trailer. But also, guys, I know that it says Claire Reef or Ref, but that is just how the family spells Reef. So no hate, please. And yeah, I hope you guys really like it. I'm really excited for it. I'm still thinking of the name. I think I might call it where I'm supposed to be, but I don't know. It just seems really cool. I can't wait. Hope you guys liked the trailer and hopefully it wasn't super cringy. Bye.